Experiencing issues receiving texts on Simple Mobile? This section guides you through common causes and solutions. Simple Mobile, running on T-Mobile's network, can sometimes have hiccups with text delivery, especially related to iMessage and RCS. First, understand iMessage, Apple's service that uses Wi-Fi or cellular data instead of traditional SMS. If you're not receiving texts, ensure Send as SMS is enabled in your iMessage settings as a fallback. For Android users, RCS, Rich Communication Services, is the modern SMS successor. Simple Mobile supports RCS, but compatibility issues can arise. A faulty APN access point name can disrupt both iMessage and RCS. This is often the most common culprit for text delivery problems. We'll also cover SMSC issues. SMSC Short Message Service Center handles SMS routing. Incorrect SMSC numbers prevent texts from sending or receiving. Let's configure your APN settings. For Simple Mobile, the APN is usually simple, with fast.simplemobile.com as the proxy and port 80. Go to your phone's settings, then cellular data options, and cellular network. Manually enter these values if they don't match. Incorrect SMSC settings can also prevent texts from sending or receiving. The correct SMSC number for T-Mobile is +20631300004. You can reset it by dialing data 4636 and navigating to phone information or using a carrier app. If issues persist, restart your device, check your signal strength, and toggle iMessage off and on again. Remember, many issues stem from user-side misconfigurations, so double-checking these settings is crucial. As of 2025, T-Mobile's network upgrades have resolved many of these issues, but manual checks can still be necessary.